Very good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining this live session. Especially on this day, we are doing the live demo for the new algo system. What we developed it is for intraday trading, and I'll be explaining you about how the system works with some examples, and also we'll also do some another new trades in this system, and we'll see how actually the system works in the real time. So what we did for today is this system. Everything is done through algo. What we developed, we are not manually entering. We are not manually buying or selling in the strategy. We're just given a logic that we want to take at the money straddle, and we have engaged around 2 lakhs in this particular account. And because for 2 lakhs it can trade 2 lots, right? 1 lakh for 1 lot, 2 lakhs for 2 lots. So in this particular system, you can see in this trade log here, I'll quickly summarize here. So you can see around 9:22 a.m. it has taken the buy order. You can see this is a buy order. It has bought 43,200 call, so which is out of money call option. It has bought 2 lots, 50 quantity, at the price of 26.30. And also it has bought the put option at 9:22 a.m. and it has bought 2 lots at 19.65. And then it has sold 41,200, because if you see this Bank Nifty in the morning session, the Bank Nifty was trading around, you can see this around 9:20, it was trading around 41,200 level. So it has sold at the money call and put. So the call was trading around 408.95 rupees. It has sold this 2 lots, 1 lot here and 1 lot here. And it has also sold the put option 297. The put option was trading around 297, and it is the same put option 41,200 call and put. So you can see all this execution, right? You can see all these orders, buying and selling. It has happened within a matter of 10 seconds. You can see this 922, 04, 05, 08 and 09. So that is the advantage of having system or building an algo. Because manually, if you want to trade, if you just search in the script, or if you're just searching in the broker, or you are just searching for the scripts, and if you're trading manually, there will be a lot of slippages in the system. Slippages means there could be some difference in the premium. Suddenly the premium will fluctuate because the Bank Nifty is too volatile. So we want some systems that can take care of the slippages, and also it will place the strategy in such a way that we will not miss out the opportunity to get a higher premium. So in this case, it has sold all this premium, and also it has kept the stop loss. So let me just explain you what happened for today. So when we taken the strategy, you can see this is a chart of Bank Nifty. In the morning session, the Bank Nifty went up. You can see it was consolidating here. It suddenly went up. So in this case, the stop loss was not hit on the call side, because we have kept around 20% or 25% stop loss for the call side. As we sold around 400, so the stop loss was around 500 rupees. So the stop loss was not hit on the call side. So, and we're just holding this trade, and suddenly the Bank Nifty fell. At around 10:20 a.m. in the morning, the Bank Nifty had fallen from 41,300 to 40,000. It has fallen almost 200 points. So when it fell, the put stop loss was triggered, right? You can see in this trade log here, as we sold around 297, the stop loss was around 384, which is 25% of the premium what we have sold. So you can see around 10:20 a.m. in 14 seconds, it has bought this particular put option, because as we sold, the stop loss was triggered, and also it has exited the hedging option what it has bought. So in this case, the stop loss was hit on the downside, but the premium what we have sold on the call side, right? As we have sold both the money, both call and put. So the call is giving us profit because the Bank Nifty is going down. You can see after that, we started this live session around 10:45. You saw that suddenly the Bank Nifty went down, and it hit the target. We have kept around 1.5% profit target for 2 lots. So it was around 3,500. So whenever we got 3,500 rupees, it automatically squared off this position. You can see around 10:45. It automatically squared off this position, and it booked the profit of 1.5%, because we had kept only 1.5% target. We were expecting at least 3,000 to 4,000 rupees profit in this particular strategy, because the Bank Nifty today was a Tuesday, and based upon the backtest, we know that average we can get 2,000. The maximum we can get 5,000. We cannot expect 20,000 or 30,000 for 2 lots. We can expect 2,000, that is a minimum, and 5,000, that is a maximum. So on an average, this is how the system trades, and everything is being monitored through the APIs. So let me just show you about the APIs and everything. So now you're able to see how actually the system will work. So let me just share you the entire screen. Okay, you can see here we have two screens here. One side you are able to see the chart of Bank Nifty, and there are no positions which is being currently taken. And now the time is around 11:36. I just want to start the system. I'll hit the start. On the right side we have the command prompt where we need to start the software. It will pull all the details. You can see all the entry timings, everything is triggered in, and then you can see how it will execute in the left side. On the right side we have the software and the API which is ready for execution, and on the left side you can see how the system will take the positions automatically. I'm not doing anything. It will just take based upon its conditions what we are given. Based upon the condition, it will just first buy the orders. It will keep the stop loss and everything, and it should you should make sure that the data whatever you entered, it should be within the limits, or there should be some we are given some criteria for that, and I'll be explaining about how actually this works. So the criteria what we're given is we want to enter the trade around 11:37 a.m. So the time is around 11:37, and you can see in the right side the system will be executed, right? So in this particular system, you can see that it is mentioning that the system has started and waiting for start time, and you are planning to buy 40,300 call. Okay, I'll just explain in the meanwhile. Just wait for 1 minute. Okay, you can see all the trades are taken now. You can see on the right side there is the system where it is telling us what is happening in this system, and on the left side you can see the trades what the Bank Nifty has currently taken, right? So let me just explain you how the system has traded. So you can see here the 5 years API has started and it's waiting for the time until the time what we're given. And in this case, as we mentioned the logic that we want to take the margin benefit, right? So in this case, you can see it has bought 43,000 call and it has bought 38,800 put option for margin benefit. And then the OTM option buying is done, and then it has started selling the call option at the money. The Bank Nifty currently trading is it is trading around 40,000, around 40,900. So what it has done is it has sold 41,000 call and it has sold 40,800 put. So as we kept that we want to sell strangles, it has sold call out of money 100 points and it has sold put from the at the money. It has sold the call option at 307.85. So you can check here. You can check and see the orders here. It has sold around 307.85 and it has sold around 250 the put option, and then it has placed a stop loss order. So you can see in this particular execution it has placed a stop loss of 400 rupees for the call side and 325 for the put side. So basically what the system is doing is it is based upon the logic what we're given, it is managing all the things, whatever the stop loss or whatever the target what we define, everything is being monitored here, right? And you can see here in the downside you can able to see the P&L is being monitored in the system. This is the recent improvement what we have done in the software. It will automatically keep track of your P&L, whether it is profit or loss. It will be showing you. You can see that the net P&L is minus 100 at the time when we entered. It will just monitor this P&L because we are given a condition that the maximum profit we are expecting is 1,000 rupees and the maximum stop loss is 1,000 rupees. So if any of the condition is met, this system will auto square off all the position. Or let's say if the Bank Nifty suddenly rises or if suddenly falls, the stop loss will be triggered and the system will be exiting that particular individual leg. Like the system is running in the backend. So you can just monitor how this system will be running, and you can able to see the execution and monitoring of this particular strategy. So basically, as a trader, what you can do for intraday is you can just trade with this logic, just start the system, and you can just maybe, let's say if you are maybe if you want to if you're going for a job or if you have a busy schedule, you can just close the system and you can monitor with the mobile trading app. Even the 5 years have the mobile trading app where you can see your positions, what are the profit or loss what we have, and you can just see, let's say if you're getting a profit, you can just square off. If you're getting 2,000 rupees for 2 lots, so that is a good P&L, good profit which you can expect for intraday. And if you're having a loss of 1,000 rupees, you can square off with the mobile trading app also, right? We can just let it run for this maybe for another 1 hour, and we can see how actually the system will work. And in the meanwhile, I'll quickly go to the Q&As. We have a question from Modi. Will the system help in backtesting? Yes, no, Modi. So for backtesting, it will not help. We can do the paper trading. Let's say we'll also do the paper trading. I'll show you the paper trading feature. So if you want to just trade it for without engaging your money, you can just see for today what could be the based upon the backtest report what we have. You can see that how much profit it has given actually. You can just do it for 10 lots, 100 lots. There is no limit for paper trading. You can do whatever lots you want. So I'll be showing you with live demo how actually you can do, but backtesting is not possible with this software. But there are so many other websites which is available, like StockMock or other websites. Yeah, so Umashankar, for those who have already subscribed, no need to worry. We'll be upgrading you this by this weekend because we have been testing for different models. We have been different testing for different expiries, and we'll be uploading the system within by this weekend to your desktop. There is it's just a matter of 5 to 10 minutes. We'll be uploading you. We'll be sending you the file for this recent update. Can this algo run multiple strategies simultaneously? Yes, Murugan. So basically, we have, let's say in this particular system, we can run at least 2 to 3 different algos at a time, right? That is what we've done. Like, let's say if you want to trade the intraday straddles and strangles for Bank Nifty, you can run this system. And we have another strategy we are going to launch maybe next week for intraday equity. You can just trade this simultaneously. Both the systems will be running simultaneously. You can do that. It's possible with this algo. We have a question from Nidesh. The system of auto square off even if you do not manually exit. Yes, the system will auto square off Nilesh. So basically, let's say the stop loss or target is being hit, right? The system will auto square off the system at that particular time. And like the only thing is that you need to just keep running the system in the backend, right? If you close the system, it will not auto square off. You need to square off it with your mobile trading, or maybe you need to manually square off. You need to keep the system running in the backend, so that will take care of the auto square off feature. So we have a question from Bhavik. In strangles, have you tested the strike price with higher difference? Can we take advantage or disadvantage? Yeah, so Bhavik, that's a very good question from Bhavik. So let's say if you want to trade the straddles or strangles far out of money, yes, you can do that. The probability of profit is very high. Let's say you want to sell 1,000 points out of money call and put for intraday. Yes, the probability of profit is high, but there will be some days if the Bank Nifty moves suddenly 1.5% or 2%, the loss will also be very big. So for that kind of system, we do not recommend you, especially for intraday, because the stop loss will be very high compared to the target whatever we are given. Right? It's not a very good risk to reward strategy. So for some reason, okay. So we have a question from Prakash. For some reason, if I close any leg manually, how software will respond to the remaining orders? So in this case, like if you do the manual intervention, there could be some errors, because what we are given is this is like an algo, right? This is just a system. It is just running in the backend. It will not it cannot understand if you do the manual entry or manual exit, it cannot read that, right? So in that case, maybe it can run into error. So in that system, we are given some option. We are given some logic. Let's say currently, if you are trading this kind of strategy, let's assume that you are trading the strategy, and let's assume that you feel that okay, this is the maximum profit you can get, or you want to do the customization of the entry whatever you're given, or you want to just exit the strategy at a time. Then there is an option where you can always go back to the algo. You can just close the software and just run the software and just click stop. So when you click stop, the system will automatically square off all the options, all the legs whatever you had, right? So that will take care. I'll show you this with some in the meanwhile how we can do the auto square off with this software also. Vijay, are you giving the system for free people 5 years account? Yeah. So Vijay, we are charging a small fee for this, especially for the development, because this software, like we have launched this maybe in the last week. I'll be telling about the pricing, how we are charging, and it's not a big fee what we're charging, and it's a one-time activation what we're giving. So this software you can buy it for one time, and you can do you can do for multiple times. There is no monthly subscription or there is no annual subscription for this. What is the minimum capital required? Yeah. So Ram has mentioned the minimum capital required for this strategy is 1 lakh for one lot, right? Because for one lot, you are selling at the money call and put, and you're buying out of money. So approximately 70,000 is required. But we recommend 1 lakh because considering the drawdown and all the things, 1 lakh is the minimum capital for one lot. So if you have 2 lakhs, you can do 2 lots. If you have 3 lakhs, you can do 3 lots. If you, let's say, if you compare with there are so many options like TradeTron or Streaks. There are so many algo softwares they are providing. So web-based application, there is a lag in the execution, right? Whenever you place the order, it will not automatically place in system because it is through APIs, or maybe it's through backend of the system. It's not going in the backend directly. It is going in the front end execution. So there will be delay in the execution. So because of that, we feel that command prompt is a faster execution, but we can do that. We are working on that model to make it user friendly to access to monitor this. So we have a question from Ninde. Yuvraj, manually we used to adjust whenever necessary in strangles. Is it portable system? So Yuvraj, I'll be giving you the best suggestion if you want to do the adjustments for intraday strangles and strangles or straddles. What you can do is you keep 2 different accounts. Let's say you trade the algo in Fires. You keep another account maybe in Zerodha or Upstocks, or maybe like any different account, whatever you have. You do the adjustment trade in the different account. So what will happen is you'll be having a better clarity about your positions, and you can also monitor it easily. Because if you interpret in between the algo, so you'll be missing the probability game, because trading is a probability game, right? You cannot be at 100% RAM. Sometimes you need to accept loss. Sometimes there is a profit. Sometimes there is stop loss. There is less profit, big, small profit, right? You need to accept that fact. So you can do the different discretionary trading in different accounts, so that it will be easy for you to monitor the trades. Great. So I hope I have answered all the questions. It was quite a lot of questions. So you can see in the backend the system is monitoring, and I will show you actually the command prompt also, whether it is monitoring or not. Let me just show you in the backend how actually this system is being monitored in the backend. So basically, so you can see whenever you enter in the afternoon, right, you'll not get that like premium decay. So that because of that, we recommend you need to enter the trade around 9:30 or 9:40 or before 10 o'clock. But after that afternoon, you can see the premium decay will be very slow. You need to hold this maybe for till 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock to get the profit. You can see in this command prompt, this system is monitoring your P&L, right? As you mentioned that your maximum stop loss is 1000 and maximum target is 1000. If any of this one is achieved or any of the stop loss is triggered, this will automatically square off the system, right? It is just running in the backend. Even if you close the Fires platform, this will be monitoring in the backend, and you can just see what is happening in your strategy. This is the logic what we define in this particular system. Okay, so Raj is asking where to get the software. If you want to get the software, I'll be sharing the link in the description. You can have a look. So basically, we are charging a fee, nominal fee. It is a one-time subscription fee what we're charging for this algo. And there is a small demo about introduction, how the algo works, what is the logic behind this, and what is the consistency of this model. And then also we have done some live demos, and we have shown that how consistent the system model is and what is entry conditions. We'll be giving you also the statistical data, the strategies, and also the performance analysis of this software. So basically, we added the new features for those who are already subscribed. No need to pay anything. Like we'll be upgrading you the new feature like virtual trading and the stop loss and target based entry. Or for those who want to subscribe or those who want to buy this software for newly, we are charging 7,400 including GST, right? This is a very nominal fee what we're charging, and for us it took more than lakhs of rupees for development and everything, and we are just charging a nominal fee. And if you go for any other softwares or any other APIs developer, they will be having a monthly subscription fee, but we are not charging any monthly fees here. It's only a one-time application what we're giving, right? This application, it will be installed in your desktop application. It could be Mac or it could be Windows, but it should be a desktop application. And then we'll be giving you the logic, what is the entry condition, what is the stop loss, everything we'll be giving. And also we'll be showing you the live demonstration, how actually you need to run the system. And you can just follow that system for every single day. Okay. Can we use this in Zerodha? So one of the issue with the Zerodha is, let me just show you that. If you use this particular system in Zerodha, right? So we have some issues with Zerodha, like you cannot buy far out of money options. Let's say if the Bank Nifty is trading around 40,000, you cannot buy 40,000, 41,000. There is an RMS restrictions in Zerodha. That is the first challenge what we have. The second challenge is there is an API charge. For APIs, they will charge 2,000 rupees per month. It's not a free API. You need to pay 2,000 rupees per month through Zerodha for APIs. But in Fires, the API is free. You can just subscribe. Let's say if you open the account in 5 years, you don't need to pay any API fees. Everything will be done in the backend, right? It's for free. For you can just run how many number of trades you want also. And the another biggest advantage is, let's say in Zerodha, you cannot buy out of money options. So if you cannot buy out of money options, you need to bring more capital, right? For one lot, you need to have at least 1.5 or 1.7 to 2 lakh rupees. But if you have this out of money buying options with the hedging strategies, you can able to reduce your margin significantly so that you can get a better probability of profit. So these are some of the challenges what we have in Zerodha. So because of that, we recommend you go for the 5 years platform. We have a question from Vijay. Will live demonstration is possible? Vijay, you can see this is the demonstration what we done. This is a live demonstration of this software what we done. This is for Strangle what we entered, right? So you can see the system is running in the backend. We have kept a target of 1,000 rupees. So currently we are not yet achieved the target, or maybe the stop loss is also not hit. We are just holding the system in the backend, right? So we will wait until the profit or target is defined, and whenever both the target or profit is achieved, the system will automatically square off these positions. You can see now what happened is, you can see here the bank nifty had suddenly reversed from this particular level, right? So we had taken a strangle for the bank nifty, and we kept the stop loss and we kept the target for this particular strategy. So what happened is, when the bank nifty reversed, you can see this candle. This is the, let me just make it 5 minutes candle. You can see the bank nifty had reversed from this 40,900 to almost 41,100. So it has moved 200 points from against our level. So what happened is, this system, let me just show you the software. So sorry, I'll just show you the trade log. This software is like, it's very fast. So you can see suddenly the bank nifty went up, but our stop loss is triggered, and you can see it has booked the stop loss, right? We are not losing much in this strategy. You can see the bank nifty has reversed more than 2 to 300 points, and suddenly our stop loss, whatever we kept, it was exited. It was exited, and let me just show you the trades here. Okay. So you can see here around 12.2, the call stop loss was hit. First, it will square off this at 12.2. Suddenly, the bank nifty went up, so the call stop loss was hit, and the hedging leg was also exited, and the put stop loss was auto square off, because the stop loss, the entire stop loss was more than around 1,000 rupees what we kept, and the put stop loss what we have kept for hedging purposes, that was also squared off. So you can see all the positions were squared off, and you can see the execution, it has happened within a matter of 10 seconds, right? This is the power of algo. Let's say, because what happens is, let's say if you are manually trading, and if you let's say if you miss this kind of move, let's say today the bank nifty is too volatile, you can see the bank nifty went down and suddenly went up more than 200 to 300 points. If you are not monitoring, or if you're not watching the screen, then you would have lost a very big money, especially for intraday. If you're selling options or if you're buying options, if it goes against you, you'll be losing a lot of that money. But in this system, the API will take care of that. Whatever the stop loss you define, whatever the target you define, everything will be monitored. You can see we did not lose more than 1,000 rupees. We just lost around 600 or 700 rupees, because the API was fast to execute the trade. So this is how you can save your bigger losses, especially if you're trading for intraday, right? I hope you are able to follow this. What happens is, you can see the bank nifty for today, it's too volatile. From morning, you can see it went up, it suddenly went down, it suddenly reversed. So basically, this kind of volatility is there in bank nifty. So whenever we're trading, we have to define the logic. We have to define the system in such a way that if you are able to get the profit, because let's say we've taken the strategy around 9:20, 9:30 in the morning. So the bank nifty went down, we booked the profit. But suddenly, if you're not booked the profit, or you're just holding the strategy for entire day, then your entire profit would have been erased. You'll be sitting with a 0-0, and you need to wait till 3 o'clock and see what could happen, right? So this usually happens, especially for intraday trading, because it's an emotional game. You know that bank nifty is too volatile. Sometimes you'll be greedy, sometimes you'll be having the fear of losing. So to eliminate all these concepts, we are not trading manually. We are building a system, or we are trying to automate to develop a system, because these systems are not new. These are there in the market from a long time, and a lot of people are already doing this kind of trades. And we have developed the software in such a way that will help us to reduce a lot of manual stuff what we have. So let me just show you the virtual trading platform, or the virtual trading paper trading feature, where we can see how we can trade this software with a virtual trading feature. So you can see in this system, we just open the command prompt and we just want to start this paper trading. I just mentioned start, and I mentioned all the things. You can see the data, whatever I mentioned. I want to enter at 12, 14, and all the things I mentioned, 10 lots, the stop loss and everything, and paper trading. And you just need to hit yes, and the API will get started. API will just wait when the when the time goes to 12:14, it will start entering the trade, and it will show you the live demonstration how actually this will work. Okay, you can see the execution in the backend, and you can see how actually the system will trade, especially with the paper trading platform. And this trade log will be displayed in the, it will be created in your file. I'll be showing you that. So you can see this, it is waiting for time. You can see now the API has started. It is buying, right? It's not buying in your real account. It is just buying in a paper trading platform, right? And it has mentioned the price where it has sold. You can see it has sold at 315. It has sold 41,200 call and 41,200 put at this price. And the stop loss is also placed. We have kept the stop loss of 30%. It has been placed, and you can see it will show you the net P&L, right? We have taken this for 10 lots, right? So for 10 lots, you can see this is the fluctuation what you can see for intraday. So you can see here we have mentioned 10 lots in this Excel input. So the net P&L is 100, and the currently net P&L is 375. So we have mentioned that the profit target is 1,000 rupees. Oh, we need to change that target maybe up to 10,000 rupees, because we are going for 10 lots. We should have changed that. But let's say if 1,000 rupees is achieved, this system will square off. You can see the profit is 4,000. And because we have because we have mentioned the target of 1,000 rupees, and it was very less target what we mentioned, suddenly within a fraction of seconds the profit target was achieved of 4,000 rupees. So this system has exited all the trades, right? So you can see the paper trading facility, like this platform has gave a confidence that if you trade the system with the bigger lots also, you can keep a target, and it will take 10 seconds to read that. Within 10 seconds, if the Bank Nifty suddenly give the profit, it will square off of whatever the premium what we had. So you can see that the target what we kept was 1,000 rupees, but it has touched 950 and suddenly it went to 4,000. So suddenly it booked the profit of 4,000. So it has squared off this within a matter of 5 to 10 seconds. So now it has created a trade log where we can see how actually the system has traded. So I'll show you the trade log, and we'll show you how actually this paper trading feature will work. So basically this log file, if you do the paper trading, each and every trade, you'll be getting a trade log, right? You can see here, it will mention all the parameters of whatever the trade you have done. Let me just explain you how actually this system has traded. So basically around 12:14, it has bought the call and put option, one lot, right? Sorry, not 10 lots. The quantity is 250 quantity on the call and 250 quantity on the put side. The price it has bought is around 18.7 and 17.55. Plus 1 means it is buying of option. And it has sold 41,200 call. You can see minus 1 means it has sold the option around 14.15. It has sold around 351 rupees, and also it has sold 270 the put option. It has sold the put option of 41,200 around 270 rupees. And what happened is, you can see around we had taken the trade around 12:14, right? All of this execution has happened within a matter of, let's say, you can calculate here, within a matter of 5 to 10 seconds. It is a fraction of 10 seconds. And suddenly you saw the Bank Nifty, the premium decayed. So around 12:15, 6 seconds, the profit was achieved. So what it does is that it had square off the call option. It has booked the profit from this. You can see this, if you take the difference here, let me just calculate here. This is the net profit what you got in this particular system. So it's approximately around 4,000 rupees, right? So whenever it hit the 4,000 rupees profit, it has squared off all the system. Yes, we need to factor in the both the legs what we have bought out of money call and put. So basically for 10 lots, whenever it hit the 4,000 rupees profit target, it has squared off. This is what is the trade log which is mentioned, and you can do this paper trading for multiple times. There is no limit for that. You can do each and every trade will be mentioning here. The trade log will be generated, and you can see the actual prices. You can see the P&L. Even we'll try to make this little more interactive, where you can try to see what is the P&L, where we can share that, and we'll be sharing you this update for those who already subscribed. I hope you're able to follow me the paper trading feature. It was it was very fast to see the execution, because we kept the profit target was very less. So because of that, the execution was very fast. Yeah, we have a question from Santosh. Required training on the tool strategies, how you use in different types of scenarios. Yes, Santosh. Like basically for let's say like we have been providing this algo training, and we are doing this demonstration from last 15 days. You can see that, and also as I'll be sharing the link in the description. You can also have a look at this like models what we developed, especially for intraday, and how the system is built. And also we are giving this at this price, and for including the GST. And those who are already subscribed, you not need, let's say for those who already subscribed for the algo, we'll be giving you this updated version with the virtual trading feature, with the stop loss and target based on auto trading feature. Everything we have tested with multiple strategies, when we have spent more than lakhs of rupees in testing, right? Because we do need to trade with the real money, and we have done profits and we've done loss also. So but we are trying to provide this software at a very affordable price, including the GST, right? 1500 rupees will go to the GST to the government. And also we have some team who are developers, so we need to pay their salaries. So there's so much of expenses is also there for this. So we are making it affordable so that each and everybody can afford this. And it's a one time solution. There is no monthly subscription for this particular software. Okay, so can we try this for currency market? We have a question from Keshava. Can we try this for currency market since capital? Keshava, currency market, there is some challenges in that. You saw that if you want to trade in USD INR, you want to buy, there are no sellers, right? There is some liquidity issues in the currency options, and we do not recommend, especially with algos, right? And also the risk is also very high. Let's say if you're trading in currency market, the fluctuation of the spread is very high, 0.5 or 0.25. So you can have a big loss in currency trading. So I would not recommend if you want to trade with the currency trading feature, especially with this kind of algos. So in the meanwhile, if you got any questions, please let me know. I'll quickly clarify all the things. Or let's say if you are part of our community, like you know about all the membership, what we're providing, about the gold membership, the training content, what we're giving. Or let's say if you're not a part of our community, for those who are watching this live session, if you want to join our community, yes, definitely we have this gold membership offer, what we provide, and complete package of options trading, right? We cover from complete basics to advanced with options trading, and we made around 15,000, including the GST, and where we cover about all the strategies. Along with that, we'll be giving you the software for intraday, what we have discussed for today. And this is only for those who are not a part of our community, right? And the reason why we're giving this at this 15,000, because one thing is it is value for money, because we are not only providing you the intraday software, we are providing the weekly strategies, we are providing you the monthly strategies, and also we do help to teach on the different of options, right? We start with complete of basics of options to advanced options hedging strategies, and then we share about the monthly adjustments, the stock selection. There are so many things what we are doing in our community. So if you're not a part of our community, then this is the offer where you can look to join, where it's a very good value for money what people have. For those who are already part of our community, how did you find the value of what we're providing for gold membership, what we are providing in our community? If you find, have you found this useful, whatever the content what we're providing, please let me know in the comment box. What was your feedback about the gold membership, what we've provided in our community? Apart from, let's say, the training content, what we're providing, the courses, or the whatever the content what we have. So how was your experience in the meanwhile? Please do let me know in the comment box. I just want to take a feedback from some of the people in our community who are watching this, because we do take constant feedback, and we try to give the best value for money. Because if you go for some of this like training program, they're charging at least 30,000, 50,000 for training, right? And there are some people who are charging 40,000 or 30,000 for building the algos itself, right? We're not charging that kind of money, and we want making it a win-win situation for both. Like we want to run the system or run the like the training program for a long period of time, so that we can build a better communities, and it is like a win-win situation. So for those who are already a part of our community, how was your experience overall till now? And whether whatever the training what we're providing, especially with the gold membership. So if you see the gold membership, we had created multiple different programs, especially in the gold membership, where we discussed about weekly hedging strategies, the concept of intraday, the adjustments, the mobile trading, and also we are doing the community discussions. So how was your experience by going through this? Okay. Thank you for sharing your feedback. And yeah, we have got a lot of people in this live session. So thank you, Abhijit. Thank you for mentioning feedback. Thank you, Salesh. Thank you for mentioning feedback. So Salesh and Abhijit are already part of our community. So your team is very responsive. I've been integrated with 2 to 3 members, Vishnu, Darshan, and Shyam. Thank you for mentioning that. And yeah, Nidesh, I have joined last week. I've gone through few of the modules, and these are, so basically we collect the feedbacks from all the people. So and also the one thing is that we try to provide value for money, and we're not giving anything which is not related, because we are also learning in this journey. We are also been trading, and we try to give the best experiences what we have, and we want to build a community. The main reason why we are building a community is ultimately to have a win-win situation for all the people. So basically, so we want to create this kind of community where we can interact and we can share their strategies, especially for trading, intraday or equity, or it could be about any of the trading strategies. So that is the main reason what we're mentioning. Keshava has mentioned joined gold membership last week, currently going through the course. So far so good. I'll go install yesterday and try it. Thank you, Keshava. Thank you for mentioning that. And I'm a member since last 1.5 years. Okay, great. Great, Sanjay. Thank you for mentioning that. And also thank you for being a part of our community. And thank you for sharing your feedback. So basically, as we said that we have a lot of members also in our community who are sharing their feedback, especially about the training program. So because it also motivates us to give better value, especially for whatever the training what we're providing. Because along with me, we also have a team of members, especially in the trade psychology community, where we collect constant feedbacks, and you can check out the reviews from the people who are already part of our community. Thank you everyone for mentioning that. So we'll be sharing you the link in the description. Have a look in your free time, and you can decide. And also you can go and check out the like offerings what we're providing, especially in the gold membership. So we have made it priced to the nominal so that you can get integrated all-in-one features, especially with the gold and the software what we're providing. And this is 1499. And another thing is about, let's say if you want to just subscribe for algo about the intraday equity, the intraday strangles what we are shown, this is the link for that. And also you can have a watch of this system, how we have built, what is the conditions, what is the logic for this, and everything we have discussed in this videos. Please do have a look at this in your free time. And we are making sure that you get this return within a matter of 1 month. Let's say if you trade this system, you can recover that. And we are so confident about this system. And also we showed the live demonstration, and we can do this demonstration whenever you want. We can show you that how the system works. For somebody who is new to options, or if you want to learn about the weekly strategies, or if you want to become a part of our weekly live discussions, every Friday we do have a live sessions where we discussed about the strategies and concepts. So in that case, if you can join the gold membership if you want to learn what we're discussing in our community. You can see this particular PDF, right? So in this PDF, you can see that we'll be sharing you this document for those who are subscribed, where we'll be giving you what are the different conditions you need to trade, how this system has performed, right? So basically, this will be giving you what is the entry conditions, when you should trade. You can see that we mentioned that you need to trade this on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. You need to trade this strategy only on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, right? There are some different conditions which we want you to trade so that you get a better, and there are some strategies which you need to trade only on Wednesday and Thursday. And this is how much profit you can get. And also we mentioned that what is the best strategy. Also we mentioned that when you should trade. So we feel that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday are the better trading days. You should avoid trading on Friday, right? You should avoid trading even on Monday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday are the best days to trade the expiry. And how much you can actually grow here, you can see in this equity curve. This is how your P&L will look. Because this is not a new strategy. There are a lot of hedge funds, a lot of big fund managers are trading this kind of system. So this is how your P&L. Sometimes you make profit, you'll be having some losses, and over the period of time, you can, from last 2 years, you can see the profit is 2 lakhs. The overall profit is 2 lakhs. So if you are engaging 2 lakhs, you can able to double. This is the best return, best strategy what you can trade. But you can have a realistic expectation. Maybe you can get 40% on an average per annum. So this is how we have built it, and please do have a look at this by going through this link. Right, you can see for intraday, the Bank Nifty has been too volatile today. It was at this level 41,000. It opened around 41,200 level. It went up. It fell to 40,800. It suddenly spiked, and then it suddenly fell, and now it's trading at this level. So you can see this is very difficult to predict for intraday. I don't know how many people have lost so many. For those who are trading for intraday buying or intraday selling, how many times the stop loss was triggered? How many times? Let's say if you're using any indicator, right? Even if you use any indicator, it's very difficult to trade in this kind of scenarios. So the best probability is to build this kind of systems where you can see it's on an average, you can see it's 3,000. It's still a good profit for a capital of 2 lakhs. So it's even more than 1% or 1.5%. So this is the kind of consistency you can get in this kind of systems, and hardly you just need to trade for 1 or 2 hours a day. So this is the probability, and the maximum loss is also 2,000. That's the maximum which you can have. Okay, great. So thank you everyone. It was a very good session, and thank you for also for those who are being interactive, sharing your feedback, and also for those who already subscribed. We'll be upgrading this session, upgrading the latest software by this weekend, because we're still compiling some of the data points, and we'll be uploading to your desktop maybe in this weekend. And we'll be giving you the conditions for target and stop loss. And those who want to subscribe, you can feel free to join this. And this is one of the best pricing what we give. And also, if you got any queries related to the software, or let's say if you want to have a discussion with our team, you can always click on this website and you can request a call. We can able to help you in this process. And also for the equity trading, we'll be guiding you in the upcoming days about how we are